Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 22nd. This is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the Aussie dollar's been a little bit on the sideways, but I do think this is the end of a running ABC correction. I think it might go down a little bit more because this looks like an ABC right here, but I think it's going to end up making a higher low, and I still think it's going to end up continuing the uptrend, especially based on like the weekly, monthly, and daily time frame analysis. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, we actually made another pretty good push up yesterday, but the I think it's more likely, especially based on the dollar index already in a wave C. Like there's probably like a wave A here. This is like a wave B, and then it goes down for wave C, and then the 61 or 78% maybe, or possibly this is an A, and this is all a wave B, and then it goes down even more, takes out these lows, and then continues the uptrend. For me personally, because I'm not a short time frame trader, I would much prefer to wait for the long opportunity, whether it comes at a Fibonacci level or whether it takes out these lows before it actually does go up. I don't really care. Either way, I'm definitely still going to continue to look for longs unless it goes down and takes out the low of wave C. I definitely am only looking for longs in an uptrend right now. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.